Assalamu alaikum, welcome viewers, come back NSTech24 channel. Today I am going to show that how can we research our keyword video title all of YouTuber. So let's start. First you open your browser and search which type of keyword you selected. So at first I want to YouTube related selected. How to create YouTube title. So at first I search related on my video keyword the YouTube. How to create YouTube title. This all of list. How to create title. It is the most of ranking keyword in YouTube. How to create a YouTube channel title video in Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, etc. So at first you searches related video title here and just select here. So you look up all of ranking video in here available. So now I select this keyword, copy. Now open your channel analytics searches options, which the upcoming tools in 2000. The previous time we searches our title upload YouTube video. Now search here, look which title I selected. Now paste it and look the how to create YouTube title searches across YouTube. In this YouTube, these tools is no more here available. Now check on you viewers, all our subscriber which title searches in this related video. Only this searches look up here. So my available no user for this title here. Okay, now I change this title. Titles for YouTube. It is the most advanced feature for YouTube Academy. Now look here, YouTube title and description, how to title YouTube videos. This is the more important keyword for my video. Look here, at first which title I search, I cannot find any suggestions for research center. Now I find more of suggestions here to related YouTube title create. Now again, if you want to specific country, all searches, and if you want to specific, you select here content graphs only and United, Australia, Canada, India, which target in your video. If you want to target only one Canada, now select apply. So look up here no available settings and select Australia. This type of tutorial no available here. India, apply. Look, only for India's countries searches this title is this keyword. So it's very helpful for create title in your video. For again you search your title for uploading your new video. If this tutorial helpful for you, please stay connected with NSTech24 channel. Thank you for watching this video.